Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is why can't the shape of a pencil be something somewhat different? Why can't it be like a known pen? Or why can't it be something creative or something that is more ergonomic? Obviously, many students find it difficult to write with the pencil because it's straight and it hurts their fingers. So we have a solid problem that it hurts the fingers while writing for long hours. So my idea is to challenge these beliefs of how things are created, and these things are already present everywhere around us, and we need to challenge them, and this will also challenge our creativity. How creative can we be, and whether we can develop a better idea or not. You challenge yourselves and see, if you do not like the design of something, then you can challenge that design and come up with a more ergonomic and creative product. But you have to understand design first. Good design is something that you add to the already established design and make it more appealing, and this way you can add to the design. So this is going to be a short video and this is food for thought. If it's hurting the fingers, then it's not good, that design is not good and it must be changed. Students have to write long notes with the pencils or pens, and that really hurts their fingers. So that's not good and counterproductive. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.
Ever pondered the wastefulness of traditional pencils? The wood, the lead, the shavings discarded with each sharpening, all ending up as nothing more than waste. Enter the brainchild of a visionary innovator, the eternal pencil nib. A concept born from the ashes of the old, seeking to address the environmental issues ingrained in pencil design. This game-changing nib dives deep into the untapped potential of metals, utilizing their writing capabilities to the fullest, all without the unnecessary waste of materials. But the journey doesn't end there. In an act of selfless dedication, the ownership of this idea was freely given away, leaving any critiques to be handled by the Chinese counterparts involved in its creation. The eternal pencil nib isn't just about reducing waste. It's an emblem of a greater cause, a commitment to our planet, to humanity, and to the pursuit of innovative thinking. By choosing this pencil, you're not just making a purchase, you're making a statement. You're standing with the environment, endorsing a philosophy that challenges the norms and seeks to explore alternative materials for common needs. This journey of reinvention doesn't stop here. The positive feedback received so far only fuels the drive to keep pushing boundaries. The eternal pencil nib is more than a product. It's a testament to a unique perspective, a new way of thinking that dares to challenge the status quo. And with your continued support, there's no telling what other innovations might spring from this transformative mindset. So, here's to the future, to sustainability, to innovation, and to the joy of writing without the waste. Thank you for listening, and remember, every stroke you make with the eternal pencil nib is a step towards a more sustainable world. So keep writing and keep innovating. Until next time, take care.